Have you ever wondered if policies designed to promote fairness could unintentionally create a different kind of imbalance? It is a complex question with many layers of legal and social consideration. Yes, in certain circumstances, employment affirmative action can lead to claims of discrimination, specifically reverse discrimination. This happens when an affirmative action program is deemed to go beyond merely leveling the playing field and instead establishes rigid quotas or preferential treatment that unduly harms individuals from non-minority groups or those not targeted by the program. The core mechanism behind this potential for discrimination lies in the interpretation of the Equal Protection Clause of the 14th Amendment and Title VII of the Civil Rights Act of 1964. These foundational laws prohibit discrimination based on race, color, religion, sex, or national origin. While affirmative action aims to remedy past discrimination and ensure equal opportunities, programs that are not narrowly tailored and flexible can conflict with these very protections, leading courts to scrutinize them under a standard known as strict scrutiny. For employers, understanding this means crafting affirmative action plans with extreme care. The goal should always be to foster diversity and inclusion by expanding the pool of qualified candidates and eliminating systemic barriers, rather than by setting fixed numerical targets that exclude others. This requires a thorough analysis of past hiring practices and a clear, documented rationale for any measures taken to address identified disparities, focusing on outreach and development. It is important to remember the landmark Supreme Court case, Regents of the University of California versus Bakke, from 1978. This decision famously outlawed racial quotas in admissions, stating that while race could be a factor, it could not be the sole determinant. This principle extends to employment, emphasizing that any affirmative action must be a holistic review process, considering all qualifications and individual merit, not just demographic characteristics. Well-designed programs often include initiatives like targeted recruitment, mentoring, and training, which proactively build a diverse workforce without resorting to reverse discrimination. Ultimately, the benefit of carefully implemented affirmative action is a workplace that genuinely reflects the rich tapestry of society, fostering innovation and understanding. When programs are designed to eliminate barriers and create pathways rather than to mandate outcomes, they achieve their intended purpose without infringing upon the rights of any individual, ensuring true equality of opportunity for everyone.